Hello. All right, I hope we're live. Let me check my phone. But hey, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Hello, hello. Yes, I'm so glad you're here. Come on in. I'm glad I'm here. Hey, guys. Come on in. Come on in. Hey, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, how's it going, guys? How's it going? Um, Yeah, so this is a live stream at night. Yes, Dominique, you're going live at night. That's right, I am. So come on in, guys. Come on in. It's been an amazing run, so far this year, and I want to know how you're doing. How are you doing so far this year? How are you doing so far in with your goals and goal setting and what you're doing? So I had a feeling that, you know what, I really want to do something super special. This is really something that I'm doing, for myself. I am seeking more power in terms of being able to control, regulate my thoughts and when you think about it, we always have maybe our vision, our mission, but then so easily perhaps distractions come along, or really sometimes it's how we feel that kind of derails us from completing the mission, right? So think about when you are starting to put things off, and because it's still early right now, in terms of the quarters for this particular calendar year, I thought, okay, don't even give myself a chance to, slack up. And you know how they say you start out with a goal and then, or resolution, and then next thing you know, it's you pack it up for next year, right? And that's it. That's all she wrote. Well, no, we're not going out like that. We're going to make a absolute effort. Now, that effort, and this is real, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. That effort requires a shift, a real shift. The way that we think, the way that we feel, what we say to ourselves, and definitely what we end up taking action on and doing. So the reason why I'm coming to you after the gym and popping on like this is because I want to make sure that I'm able to communicate with you at a time when, either you're going to be around, or you can catch this in the evening, or somewhat, like on your own schedule, which is going to be convenient for you. But what I want to really impress upon each and every one of you who catches this video is the power that each of us has. And I just know that if we kind of, put our, what I'm going to call our affirmations, in front of us, and we have them to lean on, it's going to really help us with moving forward. Now, I've always moved forward with my kids, my divorce, or whatever was going on in my life. And I know that it's helped me, and I just feel like this is going to help somebody, this is going to help somebody. So I am going to literally commit to, and this is the big word, I'm going to commit to myself and you to be available for at least 20 minutes, which is not a big ask, So I'm going to give what I feel is so necessary. It's something I haven't really seen. I haven't seen, I've seen quotes, and I've seen encouraging words, but I really want to go a little bit farther with that. So it's going to be starting March the 1st, which is Wednesday. Now on Thursday, I do have a master class. So pretty much I'll either go live before that master class, so that because it's 15-20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to go on to the master class. Here's what I know to be true, right? If you want to grow, you have to keep watering, the seeds, the sprout, the plants. You've got to keep watering what you're doing. You've got to allow yourself the opportunity to just refresh, your mind. And no matter what coaching program I'm in, mindset is so very important. And no matter what coaching program I'm in, we all know that we tend to see what we want, believe what we want, and throw away the rest. So what I want to do is show you how I'm thinking through the process of daily affirmations. I've never tried daily affirmations. I've done a lot of journaling, which I still do. I do goal setting, things like that, but I feel like affirmations really help you to visualize and literally say the words. They're like, all the words are alive. When I say an affirmation, it's like I'm seeing it before me. Because I'm speaking it the way that I want to see it, feel it, hear it, and it just energizes me. So I want to try to do this, here on my page. And if you are interested, I do have some resources as well, because I want you to, if you've never done affirmations or collected them, I have money affirmations. This is funny. I have money affirmations on my phone. I did, let me see how long ago, a while ago. I would say 3 years. Let me bring them up real quick. Yes. All right. 2019. Okay. So, here it is. Okay. So I'm really used to money affirmations because we always have money goals, right? We agree on that. Pretty much. We tend to have money goals, and you can either want it in your bank account or whatever, windfall, whatever you want the money for. But I don't have affirmations for other areas of my life, and I definitely want to do that in this 30-day challenge. Well, I'll try to go the entire month, but it's something that I really feel passionate about. And if I'm feeling passionate about it, I'm sure there's at least a couple more people who want in on this. So what it's going to look like is the live stream is when I'm going to come on, and absolutely we're going to break down affirmations, what it means to us, just have a good old time with it. Because frankly, I could be doing something else, but I really feel like speaking it and hopefully to others who may find a connection with it is very important. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to kick off on Wednesday, and I'm going to I'll be here tomorrow again for the next part of this. So if you're catching this video, just drop a comment if you're interested in joining in. It's going to be like 15 to 20 minutes of talking about affirmations, writing them down, and I do have them anyway. But I want to be able to specifically talk about, the importance of them and how it's helping me pursue, just being the best person that I can be, and I think that's what we all want, especially with affirmations. We want to affirm what it is that we want, who we are, and what we do. So yeah, it's going to be like a little journey. I have a resource that I created. I'll show you that probably tomorrow. But yeah, so look for me again tomorrow. And if you want, I don't they don't have notifications or anything like that. If you're not following me, just check this page. And if you want me to tag you, leave a comment and I'll tag you on tomorrow's video. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.